Hi, I'm Laura, as some of you might know. And a while ago, I saw a video on YouTube, and it was a rather hateful video, but I just feel like the individual did not understand gender identities. So today I'm going to go through and give a brief uh, definition of some of the gender identities and clarify what gender identities are, what dysphoria is, and just hope to educate some of you on a brief level. So first of all, dysphoria is a state of unease or generalized dissatisfaction with life. From a personal experience, because I'm a gender, I was at a broom bowl game earlier this year for a Hall Cup. It was a female team versus a male team. Because I'm in a female hall, I'm in the Women in Engineering Hall in Michigan Tech. And I ended up suffering quite a bit of dysphoria because of the fact that it was pretty much boys versus girls. Even though I don't identify as a gender, I'm a gender. Dysphoria is not a fun thing to deal with. I deal with it from time to time in bathrooms as well. People give you looks. It's just anxiety. You feel uneasy. That's pretty much what dysphoria is. As for the term gender identity is one's personal experience of one's own gender. Gender and sex are two different things. And I can look those up. So sex is either of the two main categories, male and female, into which humans and many other living things are divided on the basis of their reproductive functions at birth. And gender is the range of characteristics pertaining to masculinity and femininity. It's different than biological sex, because gender is how you feel versus sex is what you were born with, pretty much. And now on to some terms. The term agender, it means not identifying with any gender, the feeling of having no gender. And then there is gender fluid, which is referring to a gender identity that changes with time and or situation. So they pretty much, individuals that are gender fluid believe they have days where they feel female and days they feel male. It's very fluid between the two lines. The gender spectrum actually is a whole spectrum. Yes, you have the transgender individuals, but there's more to a spectrum than that. I mean, it is the LGBTQIA+ community for that reason. Genderless is someone who does not have a gender at all. That goes along with gender neutral, which they do not categorize themselves as masculine or feminine. They're kind of androgynous, I guess. Let's see, any others? And then, of course, the transgender, which is the feeling as if you are the opposite gender than what you are. Let's see, there's one other one I'd like to cover here. And to end this, a lot of these fall under the term genderqueer because, you know, we have the queer umbrella term for gay, lesbian, bi, pansexual, asexual. Genderqueer covers all of these that I've listed, the non-binaries, the agenders, the gender neutrals, the bigenders, the gender fluids. Another umbrella term would be non-binary gender, which is pretty much any gender identity that doesn't fit within the gender binary, which is your male or female. Like I said, this is more of a spectrum. And this is just a short summary. In future videos, I will be going in depth about these different gender identities and different sexual orientation identities. And I will be starting doing videos like this more often, just for the sake of education. I might get some personal stories in here from individuals, get some poetry readings done, but as of right now, I just wanted to address these identities and just give a short summary. Thank you.